Robert, and you're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Hey guys, Robert here. You're watching Backyard Bodyworks. I am just coming out to check on our little friends here, and I've just moistened the dirt with a little bit of water, and I don't see any activity yet. But you know, it's only been a couple of days in the incubator, so I don't think they're viable. I think that they're not going to produce anything, but I could be surprised. So. Just an update, and we'll keep you posted on whether or not we have some friends later. We will be back Thursday to work on the car and to finish up this repair, probably this next video. So thanks for stopping by the shop, and we shall see you guys later. Hey guys. I know I was just out here just a little while ago, but guess what? Look right here. See him? See him right there? It's our first grandchild. Yay! So I guess I'm surprised they were viable, but that's the first one. So we will continue to look and see what he looks like here. And maybe his brothers and sisters will all hatch too. So that's really cool. Isn't life wonderful? Proud parent. What can I say? All right, guys. We'll keep you posted. Hi, guys. You are watching Backyard Bodyworks. I'm Robert. Thanks for stopping by the shop today. Today is Saturday, September the 14th, and we are working on I think we're going to start with the lower A post and work our way towards the back of the car. An update on our friends that my wife has rescued from certain death in the wild. She saved 5 eggs, and so far 4 out of the 5 have hatched. Possibly 5 out of the 5 have hatched, or they've tried to break through the shell. We've got 3 left. 2 of them have escaped and gone off into the wild and flown the nest and are now free. But we still have 3 left. One just started hatching yesterday, and I did some research on the internet about, of course, everything on the internet is true, right? But I did some research on the type of black snake that we have here, and it's a common rat snake, or some people call them, I think, a corn snake. Well, actually, corn snakes are a different color, but it's not a black race. I don't think they're black racers. I think they're just plain black rat snakes. And they have, the research that I did said that once they break the shell, they'll spend a couple of days inside the shell, soaking up all the nutrients that's left over from the shell, like the placenta and all that stuff, and then boom, they're out the door. So this guy started cracking open his shell yesterday morning, and well, I don't know. Let me show you what he's done so far. I don't know if you can see him or not, but it's this guy right here, and he's cracked open his shell, and you can see him. He's a black and white, and see him move. He is just about ready to come out of his shell. He is going to town. He stuck his nose out yesterday, and he's just been moving around inside that egg for the last since yesterday morning. And he's just about ready to escape his shell and go off and do other things. I thought you guys would like that. I thought you guys might find that interesting. That the project that my wife had started at the beginning of the week has come to some sort of fruition. And she is quite the little scientist. I like the fact that she's really good about stuff like that. So without further ado, we will go ahead and get started on the lower A post. Let's go ahead and get started, and we will go ahead and show you our work. Stick close, things are moving. Hey guys, just want to let you know that I had pulled all the eggs out because I had thought he'd escaped. But if you look right down here, there's a little hole right there, and he's down underneath the dirt. So Cheryl and I are going to let him go here in just a second. We're going to dig him out and put him outside. It's been a really cool experiment. I have been really amazed watching all this. Wish I'd just put like a time-lapse camera or something on there. I didn't even think of it, but that would have been really cool. Maybe next time we find something like this, we'll do that. Give us just a second, we'll let him go. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Hey, you want to carry the bucket? We're going to take him outside. We're going to let him go. It's been an awesome experiment in life. This is where we found him. This is where we're going to return him to.
All right, Harvey man.
There's one egg.
Brother that didn't survive. There he is. I see his tail.
Yep. Here he comes. There he is. Oh, there's two of them in there.
Oh, the other one didn't escape after all. They were just hanging out down there by themselves. Here you go.
See, there he is. Come on. There he goes. I wonder if there's another one in there. It looks like there's another one right there. So all three of them stayed in the bucket? Maybe that's his tail.
That might not be good then. Maybe one of them didn't survive if they were stuck in the bucket the whole time.
No, there's plenty of stuff to eat in there. One.
You want bugs and stuff in there.
Oh, there's a bunch of bugs in there.
He's a little confused.
He likes his bucket.
He's like, oh, look, plants.
It's freedom. Just go ahead and dump him on out. Could be he doesn't want.
Yeah, one of them didn't make it.
Which one?
That guy didn't make it. No, that's plastic. Never mind. That's not a snake. Come on.
There he is.
He's like, I don't want to leave.
Oh, there's another one. There's all three of them. All three of them were in there. See, there's one there, there's one there, and there's one over there.
Yep.
All three of them made it.
Anybody else in here? And here we were thinking they escaped.
Nope, they were all in there.
They were just hiding.
Yeah.
Go eat rodents. Be
Yes,
good snakes.
be good snakes. I feel like that snake cult from Conan the Barbarian. That's pretty cool though. Only two of them didn't hatch.
He's every bit of a foot long. That's pretty amazing for that little leg. My kids will be upset that I set them free.
Why is that?
Don't step on him.
I'm trying not to.
He's very well camouflaged. He just went underneath there.
Yep. I don't know where the other one went to.
They did exactly what they're supposed to do. They hid well.
Yes, they did. Did very good. See, guys, there he is.
He's like, I don't want to be on camera.
All right, let's go around this way. Well, guys, that's the end of that. We'll see you guys on Wednesday. All right, guys, that's going to conclude that video. The experiment in incubation of the snake eggs. Pretty interesting how all that played out. I was amazed that 3 out of the 5 eggs hatched. So thanks for watching. Thanks for, you know, it's brief, you know, one of those brief videos that, you know, we're doing. And thanks for stopping by the shop, and we will continue on tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, and we will finish putting the sill, you know, the A-post in and all that other stuff. So y'all take care until tomorrow, and we will see you guys later. Bye.